Outside a lonely house, railroad detectives are waiting for a signal from Larry Baker, who believes that he has at last run to earth his father's murderer, the mysterious criminal known as the Wrecker.
Hands up, I've got you covered. No, you haven't. Drop that gun, Baker. Can't see me, eh? Well, that's too bad. What did you do with the gold bars you took from my men today? Prized you, eh? Didn't think I was expecting you.
Something must have gone wrong.
Well, I am not going to wait any longer. The Wrecker's not going to get away from me this time.
Well, go ahead and shoot. That's the signal the detectives are waiting for. Oh, it kind of worries you, eh?
The Wrecker. I killed him. It's Larry Baker. The man we met in the hall was the Wrecker, wearing a mask. You search the house. The rest of you outside. He can't be far away. See any sign of him? The Wrecker. Baker's gone. Stay where you are. I've got you at last. Take off that mask and let's see who you are. The boss. Grab hold here and get him out of the car.
Larry Baker, say, what did you want to bring his body here for?
He's not dead, you fool.
He ain't. But you told us we were to...
I know what I said, but Baker knows where the gold is. We've got to make him talk first. Pull him out and see if you can bring him to.
He's dead to the world. You must have hit him an awful wallop.
Well, I can't wait till he recovers. I've got to get back to the office. If I'm not there in the morning, it may arouse suspicion. As soon as he comes to, make him talk and phone me.
Get that rope and we'll tie him up. I guess that'll hold him till he wakes up. Come on, let's finish our game. What's that? Sit down and play your hand. If you're going to jump every time a rat runs across this room, you'll give us all the willies. Be careful. There's the next room. The door is open. Stall him as long as you can. I'll get word to Gloria to send help. No. That'll take too long. I have a better plan. The wrecker thinks I know where the gold shipment is hidden. Now, if I can trick him out into the open, we stand a good chance of capturing him. And his gang, too. Yes. How are you going to work it? Everything's okay. You can see for yourself. There's nothing to get jumpy about. Oh.
We hunted around for the rest of the night, Mr. Edwards, but we couldn't find a trace of the wrecker or how he got Larry Baker away.
You've got to find him. His mysterious attacks on a Hurricane Express are ruining this railroad.
Yes, and making plenty of business for Walter Gray's Air Transport Company.
How about Gray? Are you having him watched?
No, sir.
Well, do so at once. We've got to find Larry Baker and unmask the wrecker.
Hemingway, get over to the airport at once. Don't let Walter Gray get out of your sight.
Okay, Chief.
Come in. Gloria, this is a pleasure. What brings you here?
Nothing, Mr. Gray, except that I've lost my job.
Oh. My previous offer still holds good. Why not come to work for me, Gloria?
Thank you. When do you want me to start?
Right now. I'll show you your office. I've held this in reserve for you a long time.
Hello, Mr. Jordan.
Morning. Can I have a word with you, Mr. Gray? Sure. Go right into my office. I'll be with you in a minute, Gloria. You're taking an awful chance having that girl in this office. No, nonsense. She can't do any harm.
And I tell you, we're under suspicion now. We gotta be careful.
Hello? Dad.
I've had a hard time trying to locate you, Gloria. Larry is leading the wrecker's gang to Logan's flat. The wrecker's going to meet them there. Larry is gambling with death. The wrecker will kill him the moment that he finds out that he can't produce the gold. Get help at...
All right, Dad, I'll hurry. Mr. Edwards, please. Hello, Mr. Edwards. This is Gloria Martin. Larry Baker is planning to trap the wrecker. If you send your detectives out to Logan's flat, you can capture him and his gang.
How do I know this isn't some trick of yours?
But Larry is taking this desperate chance to capture the wrecker. You've got to believe me. I'll go out there with your men myself.
All right.
I'll have Matthews round up his men and meet you in front of the building.
Quick, Mr. Hemingway. Mr. Edwards wants you. They're going to capture the wrecker.
I've got to stay here and...
You've got to go. There isn't a moment to lose. When Larry's life is at stake.
Hey, what'd I tell you? They must have overheard us. What if they did? We'll beat them out there in my plane.
You get out there as fast as you can. I'll follow in my car.
This is the place you said, Baker. Now show us where you've hidden the gold. Well, I've got to get my bearings first. There was a landmark near this spot. If there is any landmark around here, you could have seen it by now.
No stalling, Baker, or I'll...
The record. And he's just in time.
Well, did you get it?
It looks like Baker's pulling a stall on us.
Quit stalling, Baker. Show us where the gold is, and be quick about it,
Or you'll shoot me, is that it?
that's exactly what will happen.
Well, a fine chance you'll have of finding the gold with me dead.
I'll give you till the count of 3 to decide. Get ready, Barney. One, 2, 3.
The cops! I've got you.